This is a story about obsession. A friend asked me recently, and I quote, "What's up with you and the birds?" What's up with me and the birds? Perhaps he's asking because he finally watched my YouTube channel and realized that I'm pretty obsessed with birds. I get it. It probably seems odd to some people. What is it about a bird that will drive a man to spend hours of his week exploring old forest roads? Perhaps it seems strange that I'd spend my hard-earned money on expensive cameras and lenses. Not to mention the support gear. It probably seems ridiculous. And most of the time, well, some of the time, all that effort is expended only to realize I'm in the wrong place at the wrong time. All that money, all that time, all that effort. For what? A bird? I often imagine that I'm amongst a privileged group. A syndicate of explorers that hold a guarded secret. A discreet band of slow-moving, overburdened seekers. I dare say we observe things that others continually overlook. Desperately documenting this living, breathing world. We're the ones. We're the ones with our lenses fixed and batteries charged as the fall makes its first appearance on the north face. Quietly watching, documenting, perhaps with the thought that we could awaken the desire in others to come witness it for themselves. However, secretly wanting to keep it all for ourselves. But my friend didn't ask, "What's up with you and the mountains?" or "What's up with you and the flowers?" He specifically asked, "What's up with me and the birds?" Well, on occasion I ask myself the same question. For instance, it took me nearly 2 hours of driving and hiking to get to this spot. For what? 20 seconds of footage and 3 pictures of that one bird on one stick. Worth it. Yeah, so what's up with me and those birds? All that time, equipment, effort, what's up with me and those birds? I guess I'm just obsessed with birds. Yeah, obsessed.